Hey guys, it's Max. I just got home from school, and I literally just got home, and I got a box from Jimalax. It's a nice, decent size, so I just thought I'd unbox it for you guys. Oh, sweet. Oh, sweet. So, yeah, so here's just the shipping stuff. First, I got one 15mm catapult mesh. Wow. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 Carolina blue shooters. 1, 2 strikers and 2 tricolor navy blue, Carolina, and white shooters. And then I got a spool, black sidewall spool. Jimalax world sticker, Carolina blue Jimalax sticker, and a money mesh Carolina blue Jimalax sticker. Alright guys, so this is all that I got. I got one sidewall 100-yard black spool, Jimalax around the Jimalax world sticker, a Carolina blue Jimalax sticker, a money Carolina, not Carolina, a money mesh Jimalax wristband, 2 tricolor shooters with navy blue, Carolina, and white, 2 Carolina blue strikers, and then 10 regular Carolina blue shooters, and then one thing of catapult white 15mm mesh. And so yeah, so it's pretty awesome because I only asked for 10 shooters and they gave me 4 extra shooters. These are the 2 tricolors and the 2 Carolina blue, so I'm very thankful for that. Thank you, Jimalax. You are awesome, and I would definitely be buying from you again. So, peace out, guys.